Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set auto dark mode on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. For the latest Samsung A05 users, you can set the auto dark mode on your device in the following way. Firstly, please open the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here you can open the display menu. After that, select the dark mode settings. Okay, and then turn on the schedule here. And then, here you can choose one of the following two options. First, you can activate it according to the sunrise and sunset time. And then second, you can activate it according to the time you want. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set auto dark mode on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are happy by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.